Looking for easy, healthy snack ideas for you and the whole family? Lifestyle expert and family blogger Angie Campanelli joins us with simple ways to improve your nutrition with these do-it-yourself ideas. Good morning.
Good morning.
What do you have for us there?
I have a lot of great ideas. My first tip for everybody is, as the key said, simplify nutrition. I think a lot of us can get bogged down, especially this time of year with, oh my gosh, there's so much to do. We're getting back outdoors, we're spring cleaning. And when it comes to eating healthy and trying to amp up that nutrition, take some of the guesswork out of it. And I'm going to show you some ideas today.
Okay, let's see it.
All right, so we'll start off the top here with some packaged products. So I know a lot of people will say shy away from it, but companies are listening to consumers. So over here we have Black Diamond Cheese Strings Probiotics. They've actually incorporated 1 billion active probiotics into cheese strings now, and I'm a migraine sufferer, so no artificial colors, no artificial flavors in these cheese strings. They're packed with protein, calcium, and great on-the-go snacks for the whole family. So read the labels, read the packages, and don't be afraid to grab some healthy, nutritious snacks. And another great one for families, I have 2 little kids. We're on the soccer field this time of year. Go Squeeze. It's another great brand. They've got 3 new flavors, and it's 100% fruit, no added sugar. And a great tip for families, put them in the freezer and take them with you to the parks, to the playground. Honestly, and kids have fun with them. You can actually reseal these, which is one of the things that I love, and I tell a lot of my friends about it too. And they're actually the new fruit snack partner of Canada Soccer, and they're providing fruit snacks. So it's a really great cause, and the new flavors are really delicious. So don't be afraid for packaged products. Just make sure you're reading the labels. And then for some fun DIY ideas, this is what I love. Overnight oats. I put these all over my feed. I don't know if you've tried them, but
delicious. Look at that. I have overnight oats every morning, so this is great.
Mixing the seeds, mixing your fruits, make a different flavor every day, vary the sizes, vary the sweeteners, so honey, maple syrup, brown sugar, mix in your nut milk, your oat milk, and just stick them in your fridge for a minimum of 3 to 4 hours or overnight. And the next day, the whole family can enjoy them. And honestly, the fiber and the gut health that you can get from a simple overnight oat is so delicious and nutritious. So again, it's simple. Like my kids will line up, we'll all take our different size little mason jars. You can grab them at the dollar store, and everybody just puts in all their different ingredients. So make it fun. It's almost
gives
like
them something to do.
It's like a kitchen craft.
Yeah.
And I do the same thing. Like my kids, you can have picky eaters in the house. They want waffles, they want pancakes, sometimes even as an after school snack. And again, a lot of us are like, oh, well, I feel guilty. Like there's these pre-packaged mixes, but beef it up with some hidden ingredients. So add some ground hemp powder that you'll see in the footage there. Add some ground flaxseed. You're adding protein, you're adding fiber. The kids honestly have no idea. That's what these are made of. They still look the same, they taste the same, but you're improving their energy, their gut health, and you feel really good as a parent. And you can honestly, a lot of them are Canadian made. The stuff you saw in the B-roll there is from Manitoba. Right. And honestly, they taste great. And you can make the sweet savory, like put some chicken breasts with it and make a dinner out of it.
You talk a lot about gut health there. Can you tell us why gut health is so important?
Well, gut health is connected to the immune system. So like my son had a massive skin condition erupt last year, and I started doing a ton of research, and probiotics are actually something that you can't just get in all these different foods. You have to take it in a supplement form. So like cheese strings, adding them into the actual cheese string is so important. Or you guys have to go out, find a supplement and add it to your diet. If you're not putting a probiotic in a supplement form, then you want to make sure you're amping up your fiber, amping up, like the flax seeds, and making sure the microbiome in your gut is operating optimally. Because if it's not, you start feeling sluggish. Your immune system can't fight off all these viruses that we're seeing out there. And a lot of people be like, oh, I don't feel very well. And sometimes it's just what's happening in there.
Exactly, and it's also connected to your mental health. Well, that was very helpful, Angie. Thank you so much. We'll have all of this up on our website, and we'll definitely dip into some of these ideas. So have a good rest of your morning.
You too. Thank you.